Hi, we're over here with the solar telescope. We're looking at the sun safely, and we had lots of visitors coming over to see the activity on our local star.
We're here at the Community Festival where our stall here is talking about climate and nature education, a really important issue for the university. Today we've got young people coming to take part in some fun activities, learning around diversity on campus, different bird species and how they've adapted to different environments.
We're looking at all the science behind soils, particularly teaching kids that it's not just mud. There's all sorts of different things that go into it and lots of things that make soils very different from each other.
We are thinking. So typically, we see a change in which we are processing.
It's brilliant to see so many people on campus learning about the university's research and all the community groups and everything. We've loved seeing the snakes. My daughter's currently doing some ancient board games, which is really cool.
My research at the moment is about Roman board games. That includes things like how you play them, but also what it meant to people in the past to play, why they played, where they played, how they played, who they played with. It's been really great to play some of the games with members of the public. There have been loads of kids playing with us in particular. It's been loads of fun. We've had a great time.
The vibe is lovely and it's just really nice. I think one of the great things about this project in particular is it's all about socialising and bringing people together and the kind of community aspect. So to have that for real is really fun.
It's been brilliant today, really interesting hearing people talking to us about what they would like in their kind of perfect world. The penguins we can see over here, for example. We've had rights for cats. We've had lots and lots of lovely kind of stars and rainbows. It's been great fun.